What's up guys, today we are at Seri. We are going to view one of the completed project. This is called South Hill by Southland. So this is a landed property, 20 times 70. Let's go! Okay, so this is the actual unit. So this is intermediate and then it's an unblocked view lah. Okay, once you come in, you can see the auto gate, everything already given, and then the digital lock also given. So this is the main door, it's a big size, and then there will be a sliding door also. So once you go in, it's very straightforward. You have a small foyer, and then living room, dining all together. Because it's 20 times 70, view out is around 2000. So their layout is very special lah. You seldom see this kind of layout. They straight away do a closed concept kitchen for you already. So what you see is what you get actual one. So the tiles up to the top point given and teeth proven door. And then from this you can just do a area where you want to put your hood and hob. You just install it, and then you can do this into a wet kitchen. So if you want to do a dry kitchen, you can do outside here. So do a bar table over here, then the dining inside here, and then your living room over here. Then inside here, this will be your guest room and then your parents' rooms. So it's very straightforward, put a queen size, everything, still very big space. And then all the room is come with aircon point, everything already. You just need to install the aircon. So this is the downstairs toilet area lah. Okay, and then the storeroom. Okay, so their staircase over this side. So actually what you can do, right, you can put your sofa over this side, then TV on that side. So you will save out a lot of space. So when you go upstairs, you can see this is their staircase. It's already wet. This is solid wood lah. Okay, and then go upstairs, there will be a small ceiling, and then this is 4 bed, 3 bath. So upstairs only got 2 bathroom, which like similar, the bathroom outside need to be shared. It's outside lah, over here. Okay, and then you can see there will be outside lah. You can access one to the tank. And then their 2 bedroom outside is similar, also the same size together. So it's very easy to put your design lah, do your design. Queen size, the bed size table, the dressing table, and the wardrobe. Then the other room is similar. So upstairs, like the previous we see, there won't be any living room area, but we can do a small playground area for your children. And then go inside here. This will be your master. So this is under individual title, which means similar, you can do all the extension you like, just get the approval. So you can see the master is very big also. You can do your walk-in wardrobe over this side, your dressing table on this area, then close it up. Then this will be your own bathroom lah. This is the master bathroom. So all the tiles is up to the top already. You just need to do some basic design. It's very beautiful already. So that's about it for this project, South Hill at Seri. So Seri, this location, there is a lot of international school, high school, middle school, and a few hospitals around. One is called Specialist, another one is the Pasir Gudang Hospital. This is by government. It is expected to be open on this year 2026. So for this location, it's surrounding with all the landed house, and this is called a township development. So in the future, there will be some shelter outside there. So once you turn out, you can straight away go to the EDL Highway, Pasir Gudang Highway. So it's very easy access. So if you want to see the house yourself, or you want to know more, you can contact or comment. Remember to like, subscribe and share. I will see you in the next video.